show you the river that flows under the bridge in Bradley, California. It's got a lot of water going. Normally this place is super dry, maybe a trickle, but since we've had all that rain in California the last 2 months, it's doing fairly well. Let's flip the camera on and show you. Check it out. That's it. She is running, and there's the bridge. I rode across that on my one wheel. Really fun. But you know, to catch a day like this, where it's not windy, it's a little bit breezy. It's super, super cool and fun. Anyway, that's where it starts. I mean, that's where it ends. And that's where it starts. And here you guys go, the river. So I'll talk to you guys later.